Did you have a middle name?
Yeah, I do, yes.
Sorry?
Yes, I do, yes.
Could you just spell it out for me, please?
Simon. Simon, my middle name, and my last name is Browning.
Yep. Just spell it out for me again.
Did you say my middle name is Simon, and my
Your
last
last name?
Browning.
Yep, just spell it out.
B for Bravo,
Yep.
R for Rock,
Yep.
O for Oscar,
Yep.
W for Watch,
Sorry?
W for Watch,
Yep.
N for Nick,
Yep.
I for Eagle,
Yep.
N for Nick,
Yep.
and G for Gorilla.
So what was the last letter?
G for Gorilla. G for Gorilla.
Okay, yep.
Yep.
One moment.
That's right, yep. Yeah, well, you got it. Sorry, what's your last name? T. Oh, sorry, that. Is it working yet?
I haven't found your profile yet, sorry. Can you just spell out the last name for me again, please?
Yeah, sure. B for Bravo,
Yep.
R for Rock,
Yep.
O for Oscar,
Yep.
W for White,
Yep.
N for Nick,
Yep.
I for Igloo,
Sorry?
I for Igloo,
I?
yes, N for Nick, N for Nick, and G for Gorilla.
So BROWNI.
N G. N G.
J.
No, that's not it. Let's start again one more time. BROWNING. It's
NINK.
no. Okay, let's start again. BROWNING. With ing at the end.
Alright, let's see if that comes up.
Yes.
One moment.
Yes, okay, try. Can you give me my last name again, please?